Denali.
Making trails. Look at this trail. From the door, here, all the way up to the gate.
Go get it. She's pushing me out the way like, no, I don't want to go through the trail.
That's all they doing.
Get the duck.
That's a bad idea.
Okay, go get it. You guys ain't getting nothing.
So hard for the little one to get through. She struggles.
Look at her.
It's like a car on front wheel drive. You didn't get it, Denali? That's what she's trying to get. To duck. Did you get a good boy? Good boy! Once there's spring pole, you've seen videos of this. It's touching the snow all the way on the ground. Supposedly steps looks like a big giant ski slope.
That'd be awesome.
I'm gonna throw her in the snow.
Go get it. Get it, Mama. Get it.
It's about the same size as her. She can't get through that.
Look, they're making a trail though. I ain't even mad at it. Get it, Mama. What are you doing?
Get it, Nolly. Get it, Nolly. Go get. Get.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get right there. Look at his face. He's like, Mama made a trail here. Oh. You guys are lazy. Why did Mama gotta do all the hard work? Huh?
Denali, good girl. What are you doing?
Good boy. Where you going?
We'll be back in 1 hour. See how much the snow has accumulated.